Hey everyone, welcome back. Did Venmo stop using Face ID on your iPhone, so now you have to type in your password every single time? The fix is in your iPhone settings. 30 seconds, no login to Venmo needed. Firstly, go to your settings app and then search for Face ID and Passcode. Enter the passcode when prompted. Now, scroll down this page to this section labeled Other Apps. Once you find it, this shows every app that is currently allowed to use Face ID on your iPhone. Scroll to the list until you find Venmo. If the toggle next to Venmo is grey, switch it off. Tap it to turn it on. If it's already on but Face ID is still not working in Venmo, tap it off and then back on to reset the permission. After changing the toggle, close the Venmo app completely from your recent apps. Swipe off from the bottom of your screen, look for the app, swipe it away, then restart it. It should prompt Face ID automatically now. If Venmo does not appear in the Face ID app list at all, go to your settings, then go to General, then go to iPhone Storage. Now, scroll down and look for Venmo on the app list. Once you see it, tap on it and then offload the app. After you offload the app, reinstall in App Store and reinstall it. After a fresh install, it will ask to enable Face ID on the first launch. So, all you gotta do is go to settings, then go to Face ID and Passcode, find Venmo in the app list, toggle it on. Face ID working in Venmo again, and that's it. Subscribe for more fixes.